Hey y'all, I'm going to show you an easy, simple way to keep your outboards looking fresh and to keep them from fading away. These are actually really hard to restore because they're not thick at all like gel coat on these boats. So we are going to go on with finish R. You want to shake it. You don't really have to use a long throw polisher. It's best to get out any swirls that's in there. But this is what we're using with a blue foam Force Lake Country Tide. Just want to put 3 dots just like that. We're going to start off on 1, get it worked in, then we're going to turn up the speed. That is it. I'm going to take you a plush microfiber towel, just wipe it right off. Now this really just rejuvenates the surface. I mean, I know you can't feel, but you know, I can feel right now how much smoother it is. And you really want to take your time when you're going in to polish something. You know, you really want to get that heat going. That's really what brings it back to life and gets rid of any swirls. Now let's do a water test on the side that we have not done. All right, this right here is where we have not done. It's extremely dry, not something. All right, look, it didn't beat up or anything. Now it's starting to dry up. Now let's do right here, just like that. And that's not even counting sealant. We are going to go in with Jescar sealant and put on these once we're done. But before you seal, you want to make sure you wipe these with diluted alcohol and then put your sealant on, and that is it. Do it about every 4 to 6 months. All right, y'all. Now here's the side I've done. This residue coming off, reflecting in the video. So this side is smooth. This outboard right here we have not done is not smooth. I mean, look, you don't even have a clear reflection, and it's nothing but dryness. We have a nice reflection right here. Now we're going to do alcohol prep and we're going to seal it. Now I do recommend this every 4 to 6 months like I said. So make sure you go on startyachtcare.com, use code ZIPPY15 for 15% off, and make sure you keep your outboards maintained and looking good or they'll fade real fast, definitely up here at the top.